Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the Perfect Day Garment Steamer. I bought this because me and my husband, we travel quite a lot. We needed something that was portable, something we could just throw right in our luggage and still have it be effective so we didn't have wrinkly clothes while we're out of town. This has been absolutely perfect for that. It takes only a couple seconds to heat up and actually produce steam, which is nice. If you're on the go and you need things done quickly, this is perfect. I actually have used it on almost every fabric type and it has worked really well. I steamed a pair of my jeans this morning with it and it only took a few minutes to get everything, and they were really wrinkled, and it only took a few minutes to get all the wrinkles out of them on both sides. So it is great. Has tons of little features that I love. This little window shows you how far up you can fill the water. It has a maximum line and a minimum line. When you fill it up to the maximum line, you will get about 10 minutes worth of steam, continuous steam. So it really works very well if you're steaming quite a few items at a time. Super easy to use. The cord is really long, so you're not tied to a wall, which I love, or you're steaming things. You have a lot of room to move around. This is just the on and off button. This little head swivels right off. You fill it in here, just pop it right back on, and the steam comes out right here. It has a double seal in here, so you're not going to get leaks all over your clothes, all over your hands, all over your feet while you're trying to steam your clothing. So I have loved this product so much. I've had it for about a year, and I would highly recommend it to anybody that's looking for something compact and portable and really durable. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.